English ng English, wrong grammar naman. So what is your care? Business your own. Stop grammaring my grammar if you're not grammable.
And I don't understand that. And I do my best to stay calm and ask you, please stop.
What you want me to react when you do shit like this? I will be happy. I will be happy. Tell me. I will jump in happiness because I call. No one answer. I will jump in happiness. That is what you want me to react. What the shit you doing to me?
Yung ang ganda-ganda ng forma mo. Pero, amikatin ko at white flower ka.
Ayaw mo ba talaga sa akin?
Pwede naman tayong maging magkaibigan.
Gusto ko, mas higit pa dun.
O sige, simula ngayon, magpinsan na tayo.